A factory is no longer just a set of machines. It's an operation powered by data. The real question is, how do you turn that data into better KPIs? Higher output, lower downtime, lower energy costs, and safer working conditions. That's what I'm here to understand. What's impressive about this factory is that they didn't rip and replace the whole plant to move forward. They kept what was proven on the shop floor and connected existing infrastructure to a data-driven layer. It's a pragmatic approach that reduces risks and delivers improvements faster.
Stabilní řízení řady Q zůstává na svém místě a přidáváme konektivitu a data tam, kde to přináší měřitelné zisky. Méně prostojů, lepší viditelnost a rychlejší odstraňování problémů.
Our BMS is built on Iconix in Genesis 64 with MEAC IQR PLC, so we can actively manage the plant environment impacts on production. We monitor HVAC, the data center, free cooling, UPS and other technical utilities. With over 3,000 measurement points feeding a single data view for faster decision. The system doesn't just show data. It's a trigger for SMS or email alarms, supports smarter energy purchasing, and help our energy-saving team act quickly. It's a practical tool for reducing energy costs and risk today, while keeping our carbon neutrality ambition on track.
The BMS isn't just monitoring energy, it enables active energy management, helping control consumption, reduce peaks, and supports factory sustainability and carbon neutrality ambitions without compromising operations. Success with digitalization isn't about buying the newest technology. It's having the right people, routines, and culture to turn data into daily improvements. MEAC is a strong example of how to make it real in operations. It's a great story because it's realistic. You can have a cutting-edge BMS based on IQR and Genesis platforms and still run production reliably for years on established Q-series controllers. Modernizing through the data layer, not disruption.